see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be getting into something completely different. This video is sponsored by Fashion Nova Men. They actually did send me this big mama package right here, which I will be showing you guys every piece that's in here, but I'm gonna do it in a different way. As you guys saw by the title of this video, this one's called My Girlfriend Rates My Fashion Nova Outfits. I feel like this will be a pretty fire video to do, and honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys each and every item. I'm gonna list them down below in the description, right along with the link where you guys can check each one of these items out. Now, without any further ado, if you guys do end up enjoying, smash the like button on this one, subscribe if you're new to the channel and would enjoy more of this type of content, click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Now, the little twist is I'm actually about to go to her house because she's not here right now, so I'm gonna go ahead, record a little bit on the way there. I'm gonna show you these pieces once I get there, and hopefully we have good lighting and everything like that. I don't know exactly what's about to happen, but I'm gonna try to make it happen for you guys. Make sure you go ahead and check out Fashion Nova. This video would not be possible without them. Now let's get to it. So as you guys can see, I'm not in my place of residence. I'm actually at my girlfriend's house right now, so we're gonna go ahead, try on some of these outfits. She's gonna see what they look like, and then we'll get straight up out the building. Smash the like button for this video. Let's get straight to it.
Okay, so while he is changing, I was trying to help him buy certain pieces, but I know he kind of went into the cart and changed some stuff. Shout out to Fashion Nova. It's insane that we are actually at this moment that he's actually getting packages from Fashion Nova. Woo, first outfit.
Right here, got the camo pants, Yeezys. I already had this shirt on.
I like those.
But this denim jacket is so fire. I feel like this with a little hoodie under it, definitely a vibe. I'm gonna link everything down below. What do you think about it?
So I like the slouchiness on the jacket. Do a 360 for me. Okay, looking like a snack. And I do like the bottom part of the pants and the pockets. They're very fitted. So if I was gonna give this outfit, I would give it a 7.
Boy, if you don't get...
Reason being, it's very dark.
Yeah, there's no color yet.
But I'll give it a hard 7. You know, this is like you go into the movies.
Like a chill fit. This is like a fall outfit. That's what I feel like.
Fall, yes. I like the shoes with it.
Second outfit.
We could be both watching a show and I'm over there Googling, let me know the ending. I'm that person. So it's crazy how I just really want this to be a surprise. But I must say, one thing about him, he knows a lot of stuff about style. He knows how to dress, which is good. So if I'm babe, we going out to eat, you got a nice outfit going on. It's always a fire fit. So shout out to you, babe.
So this is the second outfit. I feel like I love these jeans right here. I love the little paint splatter on it. I just feel like it's really cool. How do you feel about this? We got Whitney on me too.
I love these pants. Now, when I first saw the pants, I was like, but I'm liking them. I like the little hit. Can you give me a 360?
Yeah, no way.
I love the Whitney because Whitney is a classic. So first thing, Whitney Houston, I love it. I love the outfit. If I'm gonna give this outfit, I'll definitely give it a 9.
Really?
I really like this outfit.
I kind of feel like I would wear some Jordan 1s with this.
Yeah, of course, that's fine. I like the thinness, the sleek of the bottom, and then the little rips, not too much rips going on.
I was really scared of this rip up here. I thought it was gonna be you could see my whole leg, but it's actually really covered, which I do like.
How are the pants fitting? Are they comfortable?
They're really good material. Shout out to Fashion Nova for the plug. Honestly, everything will be linked at the top of the description. I'm gonna try to list all these items in there as well. This outfit is definitely one of my favorites so far. Now I'm gonna go change, show you guys another one, and see what you think. So this is a 9, better than the last one.
9, yes. I love this one. I love hoodies. Some technical difficulties because the camera keeps dying. So you had to switch up some cameras.
So for this one, I decided to go with the slick Rick. I'm going to the beach type fit. I don't know. This is something completely out of my comfort zone. Let's go to the beach and have a party type fit.
I like the shirt. The shirt is so nice. It's something completely different that you would go for. Perfect for the summer. You could throw on any shirt and literally any shirts. Just don't think that you could wear a chain with this. This is too much. You're looking like grandpa over here.
How does it look without the chain?
But I like it. It's very summer vibes. I really like it. I felt like if you would have gotten the pants, it would have been fire. So I would literally give this a 9.
Really?
I would give this a 9.
I just want you guys to know this is something completely out of my comfort zone. This one right here, I wouldn't wear something like this, to be honest.
Ever. And I was like, you should get this. This is fire.
You like this one?
Yes, you needed something silky.
Something silky.
I would give you a 9. And spicy, and I like this. This is sexy.
2 second outfits you like.
I like this more than the Whitney.
Really?
I'm giving you a 9 because of the shoes. And the pants are,
I'll try to wear it with some pants that you'll see in a little bit, but the tones were off. So I feel like it'll look a little bit too...
Yeah. Go back and buy the pants. I'm telling you, this whole fit would be fire. This is literally vacation vibes.
Exactly. This is we're going to Hawaii tomorrow vibes. But I'm going to go ahead and check out another outfit. Mind you, it's all linked at the top. So we'll be right back.
I really like that outfit. The outfit was really nice. The pants would have made the outfit. If you guys haven't join up on our amazing giveaway, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing with your life? All the details for the giveaway is going to be in the description below, so make sure you guys join. We are going to be giving out 2 teas, a bag, Oreos, and we're going to be giving out a beanie.
Alright, so this is the next outfit right here. This is basically mainly focused on the pants because I don't have that many tops, as you can see. These are more like a cargo pants. They have some dope zippers right here. Some zippers on the side for some more pocket action.
Those are cool.
These are fire.
I really like those. I love these pants. These pants are like a dark green, right?
Yeah, it's like a super dark green. Almost like a
dark
black
forest green.
Yeah.
It's like a midnight green, so that new iPhone color. So these pants are a midnight green. Turn around, do a 360. We have the zippers on the sides, which is maximum capacity zippers. And we also have that same black denim jacket from the beginning. I do love this jacket again. I love the length of the jacket, and I love the bagginess to the jacket. And the good thing is I like this pop of color that you brought out with the Supreme. I do love this outfit a lot. This is like you go into the city.
This vibes like...
Yeah, it's like a spring vibe. I really like it. It's really nice.
So what would you give this?
I would give this outfit a 9.
Really?
I really like this too. I like it because this is
killing it.
This is just you. This is literally you.
This is something I would definitely wear. Slim. It's not like too choking my legs. Like, I love these pants because I love cargos. Like, cargos are my go-tos. I feel like they're just way more comfortable, especially these right here. They're like stretchy, so it feels way more comfortable. I feel like I could walk in these. Like, sometimes you buy jeans and you can't even like bend down low-key. You gotta do one of these. So these are definitely comfortable. I really love the color on these pants as well. Shout out to Fashion Nova men, bro. Yeah, and the good thing is I like this pop of color that you brought out with the Mary J. Blige. If you guys are still watching, make sure you guys smash the like button below. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel, and make sure you guys are joining up on the giveaway. Let's reach this video up to 200 likes, and we'll do another video of me rating his outfits. This is the next outfit right here.
This outfit goes perfect together, no?
Kind of. The pinks are a little bit off, but since it has like a darker version, lighter version, I love this sweater.
Love this sweater. I love the different colors. Give me a 360.
When we saw this one was one of the ones
that a model was wearing, and I just kept trying to find it. I love the length of the strings. Fire. That beautiful Tiffany blue on there. We have the light pink, which I love light pink sweaters, and that dusty gray with this plum tone on the sleeves as well as the hood. And the inside of the hood too, there's color in them. Yes, the inside of the hood has that color. I wouldn't pair it with these pants.
I wouldn't pair with these either, to be honest.
So like we have this plum cargo, but I really like these pants a lot.
These are my favorite pants. When I saw these, I grabbed these immediately. Like, these are just like a vibe, dude. You could wear these all summer and they just look clean. They feel comfortable. This is something that is not like a thick ass pair of cargos where you don't want to wear it, and it's so fire to me.
Yo, shout out to Fashion Nova men. Promo code's gonna be on the description below. This sweater is one of my favorites. I would literally wear this sweater myself. Ooh.
So what do you guys rate this one?
I would rate this outfit at least a 10.
Really?
For sure. I love, this is one of my favorite outfits. I don't like the pants with it, but I love the sweater. That's why I'm giving it a 10. But I love the pants too. Pants are fire.
Like, separate, it definitely is a vibe. I feel like if I wear this with something like more mute up top, it would look so fire. Or if I wear this with something more calm down here, it would look so fire as well.
Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite outfit?
Let me know down below what you guys rate these outfits. I have an extra pair of pants, but I feel like I'll save those for the next haul where I'm gonna try to get more tops. I feel like in this one, I just focused on bottoms. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get some shirts, some sweaters next time around. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy. Let me know down below if you would like more of this type of content by slapping a like. If you get this one to 200 likes, I promise you guys I will have another video which is similar to this, whether it's Fashion Nova, whether it's Supreme, or just hypebeast outfits that I put together. I will have her or somebody else rate me, and I'll let you guys see this. I feel like this is a pretty dope video, something definitely different, especially with that Cuban cigar smoking poppy shirt that I came out with. That's something that's completely out of my comfort zone.
Even that sweater.
Yeah, this sweater is pretty loud. I normally go for like muted things where I just keep it real subtle all the time, but this is something that's actually pretty fire. I really do love it. Shout out to Fashion Nova Men for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in any of these items, go ahead and click the link at the top of the description, and I'm pretty sure I will also have a promo code, which is probably on the screen right now, and it's actually in the description as well. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.